Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture, for example settings list, and then what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key on volume down for about a second, like this. And that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down at the same time for about a second. And that's how you can take screenshot. You can find your screenshot in gallery here at the screenshots album. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.